Are you ready for an incredible discovery? A team of paleontologists in Mexico have unearthed a 72-million-year-old dinosaur. This discovery could provide invaluable insight into the world of prehistoric creatures and the evolution of our planet. Get ready to be amazed as we explore this incredible find. Hello and welcome to Curious Media. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for more amazing content. Dinosaur fossil discovered. Paleontologists have found a new species of dinosaur by digging up a nearly 73-million-year-old fossil that was well preserved. In a press release, Mexico's National Institute of Anthropology and History, INAH, said that the discoveries were made in northern Mexico. Around 72 or 73 million years ago, a huge herbivore dinosaur died in what must have been a body of water full of sediment, the INAH said. It is believed that the earth quickly covered the dinosaur's body, which was why it was preserved through the ages. The institute also said that the creature's fossil is dubbed Platolopha scalorum. Its tail was found in 2013 at Ejido Guadalupe Lamitos, General Cepeda, in the northern state of Coahuila. Looking at the new excavations, paleontologists dug out 80% of the dinosaur's skull and 1.32 meters of its femur and shoulder. It is being looked at by the Institution of the Ministry of Culture and the National Autonomous University of Mexico, UNAM, and the results were published in the scientific journal Cretaceous Research. According to the INAH, the vertebrae that stuck out from the surface were exposed to rain and erosion, and the archaeologists rushed to save the skeleton. Felisa Aguilar Arellano, a researcher at the INAH Coahuila Center, and Yale Alejandro Ramirez Velasco, a PhD at the UNAM Institute of Geology, were leading the excavations. We had given up hope of finding the top of the specimen, but once we found the tail, we kept digging under where it was found. The surprise was that we started to find bones like the femur, the scapula, and other parts, said Ramirez Velasco of the UNAM Institute of Geology. Co-author of the academic article with Felisa Aguilar, René Hernandez Rivera, Jose Luis Gudio Mauson, Marisol Lara Rodriguez, and Jesus Alvarado Ortega said that among these bones, one was very long and shaped like a drop. Scientists identified 34 bone fragments. At the time, Velasco said that it was part of the pelvis, but another project participant, Jose Lopez Espinoza, said that it was the animal's head. Velasco confirmed that the scientists looked at least 34 pieces of bone, as well as the dinosaur's 1.32 meter long crest and other parts of the skull, like the lower and upper jaws, palate, and even the part called the neurocranium. An examination showed that the crest and nose were different from other hadrosaur species known in the region, such as Velafrons coahuilensis. Meanwhile, researcher Felisa Aguilar said, after all these discoveries, we were sure we were looking at a new genus and species of crested dinosaur. The naming of Platolopha scalorum. Platolophus is a group of hadrosaurid dinosaurs that belong to the tribe Parasaurolophini. The only species is the type species, which is Platolopha scalorum. The type specimen was first found as part of a tail in sediments of the Cerro del Pueblo Formation in Coahuila, Mexico. In 2013, the Mexican National Institute of Anthropology and History and the National Autonomous University of Mexico began a joint project to find it. It was soon realized that it belonged to the most complete Lambeosaurine known from Mexico. It had a nearly complete skull, jaws, and other parts of the postcranial skeleton, including an articulated tail. It was given the new genus and species name Platolopha scalorum in 2021. The name comes from the Inuit word platoli, which means word, and the Greek word lophos, which means crest. The species is named after the Garza and Lopez families, who worked together to collect and preserve the specimen. Other dinosaur fossils found in Mexico. Many dinosaur fossils have been found in Mexico. These include Albertosaurus, Apatosaurus, Corvosaurus, Hypacrosaurus, Lavocania, Lambeosaurus, and fossilized skin and bones from a hadrosaur. Fossils of pterosaurs, also called flying reptiles, have also been found. Mexico is a big part of the study of the end of the dinosaurs because that's where a big asteroid hit the Earth 65 million years ago, probably starting the KT mass extinction. This asteroid, which was 4 to 9 miles wide, crashed into the ocean near the Yucatan Peninsula, making the Chicxulub crater. This crater is 120 miles wide and a mile deep. During the KT extinction, it is thought that 80 to 90% of marine species, about 50% of marine genera, and about 15% of marine families went extinct. For land animals, about 85% of the species, 25% of the families, and 56% of the genera died out. All animals over about 55 pounds were wiped out. This amazing discovery of a 72-million-year-old monster in Mexico is truly a remarkable find. It is an incredible reminder of just how much mystery and beauty exists in the world and how far science can take us in exploring the unknown. What are your thoughts on the video? Let us know in the comments. Also, if you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.